In this clip, I'll show you what is the alpha and beta cut. The idea of alpha and beta cut is we start with some state that you have to choose, and there are three choices. And once you know that, maybe you have to work, you have to find in many levels. But after you can find the values, for example, it is 3, 10, 15, for example. After you can find these three, because once you can find 3, you have to expand this node, right? And once you can find the values, return this, and it is 10 and 15, for example. You have to find again to find 15. So which one is chosen? So this is 3, right? Because you have to choose the minimum one, right? So if this is 3, what does it mean? It means that in this situation, you have to choose the maximum one, right? So now the lowest values that you can get from this situation is 3. Okay, so it must be greater or equal to 3. But in some cases, if you try to find it and you search for the 3 and you get 2 from this, you can stop searching this node and this node. No need to find the sub 3 here. Why? Because if there are two cases, right? If this value is greater than 2, for example, you got 3 or you got 4 or 5, you have to choose the lowest one. 3, 4, 5, 6. So this node won't be chosen because it's greater than 2. So this node won't be chosen. If this node and you get the values like less than, for example, see 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, this is less than 2, right? So these values will be chosen. But when you go up one stage, there is a number 3 here. So 3 is greater than this one, right? So this node won't be chosen. So if in any search, this one called alpha values. So if in any place that you have to choose the your opponent must choose the lowest one or min, and you get number that less than alpha, you can stop searching. Okay, so it can be like something like this. So if you have 3 already here, and you search for not only this level, but number 3 can be sent to the other node that choose the lowest, choose min one. For example, if this is 2, of course, if this is 2 is less than alpha, so if it greater than alpha, it won't be chosen, right, at this level. But if this is 1 0 minus 1 minus 2, so if this value is back up and it chosen and this value will be here, so this won't be chosen again. So you can mark that, okay, you have alpha values. Now that is 2, sorry, that is 3. If in any level that you have to choose min and the value that you got is less than alpha, you can stop search for the other nodes. So it can bound your tree and help in the experiment. The time used will be m by 2, b power m by 2. Or this one will cost like if you have a fixed period of time, so it can search for like twice double of the engine that doesn't use the alpha beta cut. For beta cut, it is the opponent on the opposite side. Look at this. If you are at some stage that you have to choose min, look at this, you have to choose min. And you have 5, 30, 12 and 13, so this one will choose 13, right? And if this one is 15, you can stop searching for the other branches. Why? Because if this one is less than like 12, 14, so it won't be chosen at this level, right? Because this one must choose max, right? But if it's greater than like 16, 19, 12, 20, so of course this one will be here, right? But this one will choose the lower one. So this one won't be chosen at this level. So this one is called beta. So when you search for your answer, it will have alpha and beta that you can update along the path. Okay, so you can prune your tree as well. Okay, so guys, you can repeat the watching this video because I think it's like a little bit complicated for you. So no worry, you can repeat it again, and if you have any question, we have the review part that you can ask me something. Okay, see you in the next video clip. That is the way that we will write the code.